What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. Y'all already know it's your girl Kayla or Casey. I'm back with another video, y'all. I'm trying to run up these bangers back to back to back to back. So today I got a little cooking video. The proper way to cook chicken or the way I cook chicken. So I'm finna put y'all on. So I don't want to keep y'all longer than y'all have to be here. So make sure you give this video a big thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe down below and make sure you comment on the video. So let's get right into this video. Alright, y'all, so you want to start by getting your flour. Here's my flour.
Okay.
It's bad lighting. So I use garlic powder, black pepper, onion powder, and all-purpose seasoning. And like I said, your flour. These are some bomb pictures, y'all. Check the pictures out. Yeah. My photo skills with my products is A1. Alright. So y'all. So basically what I did, I'm not sure if I showed it, but you always want to make sure you soak the chicken because it be dirty. So you don't want that. But make sure when you cooking chicken, your temperature is either between 6 or 7 or a little bit behind 6. So you want cooking chicken very fast. And basically, and if you cook it too fast, it can get burned and your chicken can still be undone on the inside. So you do not want that when you're cooking chicken. So, wipe my camera. Got some water splashes, whatever. So, you know, if you haven't been doing that every time you cook chicken, I just gave you a new way to cook your chicken. So, it's real dark in here. I'm sorry, y'all. It's real dark. What you doing? What you doing? Say hey. Say hey. Hey, Nana. Say hey. No. Okay, say hey. You say hey. Oh, okay. Be like it. When you went in the bathroom, she did her little whine. Oh. I said she coming back. She coming back. No, sorry. That the flour wasn't sitting right with me, so I just sprinkled a teeny bit of some more seasoning on the chicken. I ain't sprinkled a lot. Come on, I made this is our website. Natural, organic, cruelty-free, handmade cosmetics and skincare products. So if you haven't shopped with me, make sure y'all go shop with me. Let me show you all the lip glosses we got. So, take this off. This is the Glam Girl Collection 1, 2. So, we got Cold-Hearted, Blue Dreams, Dreamer, Hustler, Very Blessed, and Obsessed. Y'all can purchase all of those. Let me show y'all the new ones. So this one is Starburst, Made, Billionaire, Moneymaker, Go-Getter, and Sassy. I feel like I'm missing one. Yeah, I think that's it. Because Maeve is the newest one we added to this collection. So, and you know, you can pay in 4-inch speeds, but that's only if you go over $50. So you don't have to pay all at once. And they come in these tubes. You can also purchase the lip gloss samples if you want to know how they really are before you purchase a whole wand tube. It's for all of them, both collections, so you can really choose all of them. You know, and they only $3. These are the other ones. All the lip gloss. These are some more where we just have retail and everything. Hey, little girl. And we got lip scrubs too. We got all lips. I can show y'all what kind of lip scrubs we got. They're only $5.55. Oh yeah, there we go. I had a ton of orders with these. They're only $5.55. So I like going down the list because I don't have all pictures of all of them. I only have a couple of what I sell, but I added more. Cotton candy, birthday cake, tropical watermelon grape, raspberry lemonade, peach lemonade, chocolate, marshmallow, orange, pineapple, strawberry, vanilla, bubblegum, banana cream, strawberry, kiwi, blueberry, and cherry. You purchase all those.
Now said no.
We also have wholesale. It won't focus. We also have wholesale. Well, let's do skincare first. We have the Rose Facial Serum. It's not really facial, it's just serum. All body serum. And the cotton candy with body scrub. Hello? Hello? Hey, what's wrong? I just wanted you to get away from that grease. That's it. Oh yeah. My cotton candy with body scrub. That leaves her skin soft right after you get out the shower. Not right after you got the shower, but before you get out the shower, apply that to your wet skin. No, you can't get that. Yeah, you can't get that. Let's check on these pieces. That's how long. Bless you. Bless you. Put the nice smooth like that. This is just to put the chicken on. Use a good bit of napkins so it'll soak up the grease and it won't keep all that grease on the chicken. Basically. say nothing, bro. So, you know. I'm gonna sit right here. So then, this. Basically, what this does is check the temperature of the chicken. So the chicken should be 165. When you take it out, it should be 165. You don't want a raw chicken. You can get these from Walmart, for real. Walmart got these. And you just stick it in that chicken. And and wait for it to get to 165. See, it's past 165, so that means your chicken is done. But I don't be going off one chicken. I check all the chicken, so. Let me sit y'all down while I do. Let me put it in here. Before I show y'all the final, the chicken. Is this spinning? Is this not? You gonna tell them bye?